Khlur Kapatisi TV.
Anshul Jubli ubalalong Khlur ya Kura UFC ubaningkong hakari India unsa wanyu kejat hanong ba Shillong ban yai shembenta haka seminar balapelong daka IDM Fitness and Fight Club nakbenta pan aji kai kumno pan penon kam yaki boit ya Kura bat ban yakendo markhmat bat kinong yakun bat kinong ishembenta kabansa sedang haka khandru terek ukalalingkot arja penrio kakong damir bha rumnong kabalalong ka co-owner jong ka club kalai thu bah ka khanyu terek ukalalingkot arja phunriu kan sadon sakajia kendo kerpang ha hotel Marriott poolside Jail Road Shillong bat kinong gershan ki nongile kai bat ki balasha khot sobha.
Hi, I'm Damir Bharumnong. I am the co-owner of IDM Fitness and Fight Club. I am a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu coach and athlete. This January, IDM will be hosting its first big event. India's first UFC fighter, Anshul Jubli, is going to be coming to Shillong for a day's seminar and a meet and greet for all his well-wishers and fans. Mr. Anshul Jubli is India's first UFC fighter. He is the only Indian male on the UFC roster and is the first Indian to win a UFC contract via Road to UFC. We are extremely glad to be welcoming Anshul to Shillong, where he will be conducting a one-day seminar on the 16th of January at IDM Fitness and Fight Club. He will be imparting his knowledge that he has gained throughout his career and experiences in this sport to our students and the participants of the seminar. For those who want to interact and meet Anshul Jubli, we have a special meet and greet planned for you at Marriott poolside. There will also be a Q&A session where people can ask whatever questions they have relating to the sport, related to Anshul on a professional level. The objective of the seminar is to be able to provide exposure, experience and help our fighters gain more knowledge so that they are able to represent the state, the country in the bigger fields of the sport. Two star hosts will be joining us for this event to welcome and host Anshul. We have Khlur from Assam, who's known for his exponential career in MMA, winning multiple fights on a national and international level. We are super excited to have him as a host and as our guest for this event. We have Johnny Nongrum, aka the gangster, the star of the MMA scene in the whole of Shillong, and we are super excited to have him. I hope that he is excited and looking forward to this program as well. I hope to see you there, and I'm super excited to have you all. So is Anshul, and so is everybody who's going to be hosting this program. So look forward to seeing you guys.